I remember when I was a kid, or just back in the day when I was growing up, during the colder months, during the cold and flu season, when you walked into my grandmother's house, the first thing that hit you was a big blast of menthol and camphor. She would have a pot of water boiling on the stove with icy hot in the pot. And immediately, all of your sinuses and everything else would completely clear up. And she'd keep it boiling like all day. So the whole time you were sitting there, and eventually after you sat there, you got used to it. But initially your eyes are running and everything else if you've had any type of congestion. But you'd get used to it. But she'd keep it boiling the whole day, every day, non-stop. Those were the good old days, and those were the old memories. I absolutely 100% miss those days. But if you came with any type of congestion, by the time you left, it was completely gone. Hi guys, it's T from BettyandBrenda.com, and welcome back to my channel for yet another video. If you're already a subscriber, if you are new here, thank you for taking a chance and clicking on my video, and I'm absolutely sure you're gonna love it, so you may as well just go ahead and click that subscribe button and enjoy me on a weekly basis as I make bath and body products. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and or Facebook at Betty and Brenda Bath Co. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll know every time I put out a video. And of course, if you're interested in any of my products, you can visit bettyandbrenda.com and purchase any of these items. And today I have a guest with me who's holding up his thumb here. And this is my son, Tyler. Say hi, Tyler.
What's up?
He's gonna help me make shower steamers. So yes, I am making shower steamers today. I was talking about the menthol and the camphor in the first part of the video. And yes, that was an old remedy to help you get rid of any type of congestion and to clear your sinuses. Today, there are other things that will do the same, but one of them is to get into your shower, put in a shower steamer, and it has the menthol in there, and yeah, it can help. It can help you. I can't say that it cures anything, but it definitely helps me breathe better when I do it. And I actually don't use them just during the cold and flu season. I may be the only crazy person walking around who loves the smell of menthol, but I like menthol, and I like the way that it makes me feel when I'm in the shower. So I use them at other times of the year as well. So here we go. We have everything set up. We are going to make lavender and eucalyptus shower steamers. And the full recipe will be in the description box. But what I put in mine is baking soda. I use citric acid, cornstarch, my menthol, of course, my fragrance, which is the lavender and the eucalyptus. I like to add eucalyptus in there in all of them, no matter what the fragrance is, because it just, to me, punches up that menthol. I use alcohol, a little water, and then because I'm putting some color in these, I use Polysorbate 80. And I also make my shower steamers in my kitchen stand mixer, not KitchenAid, but my stand mixer. You can choose any one that you like. To me, it just mixes it up very well, so you don't have to do, and a lot of additional mixing once it's done. And we are going to place these in 2 different molds. This is one of the molds. This little flower one's right here, and Tyler showed them the other one. And that's the other one. Turn it on. There you go. For some reason, I can't find my matches to either one of these molds. So it's gonna have to be 2 different molds. So, like I said, we're gonna put in eucalyptus and lavender. Those are our essential oils. And for the light lavender color that we want, I am going to use I Dream of Purple from Mad Micas, which is a nice, pretty little lavender color. For my menthol crystals, I get them from Bulk Apothecary. These are the menthol crystals that I have. And then for the rest of the ingredients that we're using, of course, where I get those from will be in the description box. So I'm gonna go ahead, start getting everything measured out and placed in the mold. So without further ado, are you ready, Tyler?
Yes.
Let's get ready to make some shower steamers. You don't like it?
And the powerful smell. You weren't getting when you said that.
Come over here. Okay, so now we got that in there. We are going to add the rest of the stuff. We have. Is it really? It's not that bad.
It is bad. Ugh.
I like it.
Ugh. That is such a strong smell. I can't take it.
So here it is. I have it here. It's all mixed up, and I've put the color in and everything, and as you can see, it's ready. It's holding together very well in my hand. And actually, for my shower steamers, I like them to be even wetter than my bath bombs. Still breaks apart, but it holds really well in your hand as well when you squeeze it. So now we're gonna go ahead, Tyler and I, and get these in this mold. And actually, I want to do this mold first. So Tyler, what we do is we take it and we just pile it all everywhere. So you can do that.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Yes, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. All right, come on. No, we're still here because we gotta press it in.
Okay.
So once it's all over the place, and then we gotta press it in. Come on, put that in
about
there.
this?
Put it in there.
Where do I put?
Wherever.
Oh, I just dropped one.
It's okay. We have sanitized. I sanitized the counters really well. So press it out. We gotta make sure it's filled all the way to the top. So if you need more, get more. And we just press this in. And guys, I don't use alcohol. I don't use oil in my shower steamers because I think it would be just such a waste, because these do not go on your body. You cannot sit, you can't put this in the tub and sit in it. Do not put it on your skin. Definitely not any personal and private parts, because it will irritate you and possibly burn. This is for shower use only. Where'd you go? We're supposed to be pressing. Shower use only. So because it does not really go on the skin, that's the reason why I don't use any oil in my recipes. To melt. No, don't rub it sideways. Just press it. To melt the crystals, I use my alcohol. So I got this in here. I actually prefer using a mooncake to make my shower steamers, because I think they come out very leveled and even. When you're using a mold, to me, they can, if you don't get them, they're not always lined up perfectly to the top. But here we go. So we got them in this one pretty well. Now we're gonna move on to the other mold. And you wanna let these sit overnight to dry up. So I think we have it here. Here we go. We didn't get that many, but I wasn't trying to make a whole bunch of them. You want to make sure you press those down really well so that it will take the shape of the mold. And we're going to let these sit for 24 hours. And then we'll come back tomorrow and take them out of the mold. Sounds good?
Yes.
Okay guys, so it's actually been not over a week, almost a full week since we made these. And as you can see, I already took one of them out because I had to take a picture of it. And this one we started to take out and it broke just a little bit, but we're gonna still, just get that out anyway. So both of us are here, me and Tyler. Tyler, are you ready to take these out?
Sure, yeah, let's go.
All right, okay, so I'm gonna do one and then you're gonna do some, okay? All right, so to take it out, all you have to do is kind of press like under here. I'm gonna push it up gently and it comes right out. And there's one of them. Okay, now you.
Easy.
Both hands, please, sir.
Oh, this.
Gently.
This,
awesome.
See how
Show it
easy
to
that was?
Let them
That
see it.
was-
You got no. You got to put your hands under here like this, so you won't cover up the beautiful flower design.
I like flowers.
Me too.
A little. I
Okay.
only like sunflowers.
You only like sunflowers?
Because they're in my game.
Oh gosh. Okay.
Do
Do that one. Everything has to come back to a video game.
It's not my fault. The sunflower is so cute.
Okay. All right.
You know I like
look
cute
at that
things.
one. Now hold that one up and let them see it.
Okay.
Down some, down, down, down. There you go. And that is the third design. Okay, so the other ones look
The same.
no, just like those. So I'll go ahead and take these out. Guys, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you'll know every time I put out a video. And follow me on Instagram or Facebook at Betty and Brenda Bath Co. And these are actually already available on bettyandbrenda.com, along with some other shower steamers if you want to purchase them. And next I'll be doing a video with my husband. We made some shower steamers as well. You can see that one just broke just a little bit, so that's fine. Just another one for me to use. All right, guys, I will talk to you later. You want to say bye, Tyler?
Bye.
And now you heard my daughter yell. Bye.